Today, day number 1, brand new project. One of the most exciting times. Let's go and have a look. Wow, what can I say? Just the sound of the sea is amazing. I'm mesmerized right here. This is a beautiful plot. We've got the sound of the sea. We've got our own access to a beach. We've got wonderful restaurants just 100 meters away. We have no neighbors overlooking, so this is a very, very private plot. And the sound of the sea is like fabulous. It's as good as it gets.
The design is now done. This is going to be a major construction project.
And the marina is the nearest neighbor.